Good morning, good evening, good afternoon mga karadyo. Ito po yung ating bagong app for DMR sa POC radio na to. At yun, pag itong ginamit yun, di na po kailangan ng hotspot. So may selo na to, may Echolink, Android Wi-Fi, and SIM card na po. Ito yung sa DMR. So, ayan po.
In your area.
Maganda rin yung
And
audio.
I hope to talk to you again down the line.
Ayan,
I have logged you in QRZ. If you could give me a confirmation, that'd be wonderful. Again, you are my first contact in Taiwan. I have also sent you a digital QSL card through your email.
Tag-change ng
BN7 IMO. This is Kilo Romeo 4 Delta Echo Mike 73 on your file.
Europe. US, back to US. Talk Group 91. Ayun lang. Mabuhay po kayo. Karadyo.